Alright, so in this lecture, we are going to build this brand recognition section. As you can see, we have 8 company logos. Very nice. You probably saw this kind of section in many other websites. I copied the company logos from Zendesk.com. I really like the way they laid it out. I love the design. I copied that so we will have the same section on our website. I'm also going to show you a couple more examples from Monday.com and Slack.com, etc. What I want you to understand and get from this section that you don't have to display brand name logos using this gallery widget. You can also display images that related to your business. If you have a coffee shop, you can show your coffee shop. If you have a gym, you can show your gym, etc. If you are a lawyer or accountant, you can show your office. We can really use this image gallery widget to display anything we want. This TFW gym, for example, is using the image gallery to display the facility, right? And by clicking on the image, you will see it open up in a pop-up box to display it in a larger form. You can really use the image gallery widget exactly as you want. You can display logos or images, whatever you want, you can do with it. But I'm going to use it just to show some company logos. So we can create new section like so. However, because our title and the divider, it's identical to this section, to the title and the divider, it will be smarter and faster just to duplicate this section and delete all the unnecessary sections from here that we don't need. And we're just going to keep the title and the divider. All we have left to do with the title is just to change the content to this text. So I'm going to paste it here in the text box, just like so. And now we saved a lot of time when we can start working with the image gallery widget. So scroll down and look for it. This is the one we are working with. Drag it to the desired location. And I see that we also have the spacer widget from this section that I forgot to delete, so I'm going to delete it now. Very nice. Now back to our image widget, click on this plus icon to add your desired images. And in our resources folder, we have all the logos that we are going to use in this section. So check them one by one or all together and drag them to WordPress in order to upload them to our website. Wait for the upload to finish. And all the images with the check mark, as you can see here, will be added to the gallery. So click on create a new gallery. And here you have the option to add caption to each of the images, and you can also rearrange their order by dragging them to where you want it to be. I'm just going to rearrange them to match our demo site. I will speed this process for you. Very nice. And when you are satisfied, click on insert gallery. We can see our gallery over here. However, the images are cutted because they are a thumbnail version. Let's change it to full, and that will fix them. As you can see, we can see them fully. Great. We also have the option to change the columns from 4 to any other number that we would like. Right now it shows 4 in a row. We can change it to 2, and then it will show only 2 in a row. But 4 is good enough, just like so, because it will match the Zendesk.com. And now we can move to the Style tab. And what I want to do here is just to change the spacing from default to custom and just make it more spacious, right? To create more space between the images, and we can see that they are kind of getting away from each other, and it's look way better this way. If you added captions to these images, you have the option to design and style the caption in this tab. However, because we don't have caption, it's irrelevant for us. Excellent. So let's just make sure it's looking good on mobile as well. We will change the desktop view to mobile, and we can see immediately that it's looking really good. The images are on top of each other. However, the title is too big, and we didn't see that with this title because this title contained only 4 words, and the new title is more than 4 words and is taking a lot of real estate. So let's change it by going to the Style tab, and here in the typography we can see that we're only changing the mobile size. right? So let's move it to 25 or 30. And because we want all the titles on our website to match desktop view and also mobile view, I'm going to copy this element and I'm only going to paste the style. And we will see that this title going to keep the text. However, it's going to apply the new style on it, just like so. And now it's looking good on every screen size. So let's click on update, go back to desktop view. The desktop looks perfectly fine. We will update it and we can see our new section over here. However, we have a couple more changes to make. We can see that whenever we're clicking on the image, it will open up as a pop-up. And this is a great option to have in certain situations like I showed you earlier with the gym, or if you are an artist and you would like to display your art. However, for this section, we don't really need it because it's only brand logos. And also this section has a different background, a light gray background. So let's change it. Let's go back to our gallery widget, and here in the link we will change it to none. And now clicking on the image won't do anything, which is what we want. And we will go to the style tab of this section and we will change the background color to light gray. Beautiful. We'll save the changes and we will revisit our homepage, refresh this page as well, and we can see that it looks amazing and we can move forward to our next section.